इंग्लिश स्कूलचे विद्यार्थिनी देवश्री देशमुख आपले विचार या प्रसंगी व्यक्त करेल. देवश्री देशमुख.
Good morning, Honorable Chief Guest of today's program, all the respected dignitaries and my dear friends. My name is Devashri Deshmukh and I am student of Shri Gajanan Maharaj English School studying in class 10th A. A very warm good morning to all. Before moving forward, I would like to say something about our country, India. यहाँ न धर्म मजहब की बंदिशें कोई, यहाँ न मुल्क देशों की सरहदें कोई, यहाँ तो दिमाग से नफरत मिटाई जाती है, यहाँ तो प्रेम की गंगा बहाई जाती है, यहाँ तो प्रेम की गंगा बहाई जाती है. As we all know that we have gathered here on a very special occasion of our nation called Republic Day of India. Today we are celebrating 72nd Republic Day. India got independence on 15th August 1947. Since we celebrate this day as Independence Day, and on 26th January 1950, India's constitution came into force. A drafting committee was appointed for drafting the Constitution of India, with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the chairman. Republic means the supreme power of the people living in the country have the right to elect the representative as a political leader to lead the country in the right direction. Our great freedom fighters had struggled a lot to get our freedom back. They had struggled so that the future generation may live without any kind of domination, struggle and lead the country ahead. Our freedom fighters have shown us, पानी में चलकर समंदर पार कर सकते हैं हम, जमीन पर खड़े होकर आसमां को छू सकते हैं हम ख्वाब को संजोया नहीं करते, क्योंकि हकीकत बदल सकते हैं हम, क्योंकि हकीकत बदल सकते हैं हम. But are we all successful to fulfill the dreams of great freedom fighters of India? I think we are little bit far from it. Only because we are facing number of problems like corruption, illiteracy, women's safety, poverty, pollution, agricultural distress, child labor, unemployment, and one more, newborn COVID-19. So now it is our responsibility to protect our country from such problems. And Indian youth, if decide, can do it. So, as Swami Vivekananda had complete faith on youngsters, according to him, take up one idea, make that idea your life, think of it, dream of it, make the muscles, nerves, brain, every part of your body full of that idea and just leave other idea alone, and this is the way to success. And if we follow this rule, definitely we can remove all problems from our country. जाते जाते हमारे सैनिकों के लिए जो इतिहास बना रहे हैं, भारत को एक मजबूत नींव पर खड़ा करते जा रहे हैं और देश को दुश्मनों से बचा रहे हैं. इन्हीं सैनिकों की वजह से हम इस तरह से गणतंत्र दिवस और स्वतंत्रता दिवस मना सकते हैं. उनके लिए हम हवाओं से चिराग जला लेते हैं, दिल जिसे चाहे उसे अपना बना लेते हैं. लोग पत्थर से कुचल देते हैं आईने को, हमारे सैनिक तो पत्थर से भी आईना बना लेते हैं, हमारे सैनिक तो पत्थर से भी आईना बना लेते हैं. जय हिंद, जय भारत.